Mr. Mo has his needs and a sketch and 2 Excel files according to the scheduled plan. Let's first take a look at the Excel files. Planned costs. Okay, here we have the planned cost workbook. When I take a look at it, we have the activities. Each activity's ID and their WBSs. We have also the subcontractor and total budget of each activity. And the timeline. It starts from 1st February 2022. And the second is 8th of February 2022. So it is weekly plan. This is clear. We have actual cost also. Let's take a look at it. Actual cost. In actual cost, we have also the activities, their IDs, the total budget, and the timeline, which starts from 1st February 2022, and it is also weekly updated, same as the planned cost. Now we are going to Power BI and insert these 2 workbooks there, or let me say, get the data, transform, create model from, and visualize it. Finally, present. First step, get data. I opened Power BI. I told you before, don't worry about this pop-up message. Just close it. The first step is getting data. Let's get it. I can get the data from here. Or from Home tab, I can press on Get Data. The most common data sources are in this drop-down menu. Or if I press on its icon, I can see the range of data sources. Today, in this free Power BI course, we will get data from Excel file, which is the common data source. But in our full version of Power BI, we will work with getting data from other sources. Okay, I double-click on Excel workbook. And here, I double-click on planned cost. As you see in planned cost section, planned cost was changed into table. So here we have table form of planned cost and non-table form. If I click on one of these, you can see the preview in the right side. I select planned cost, but not the table form. Check its mark. Here, if I don't want to make changes and load it to the Power BI, so I select load. Or if I want to go throughout the second step, which is transforming the data, that it changes the formats, adds or deletes columns or rows, or any other changes, then with this purpose, I can select Transform Data. Here, I select Transform Data and go through the second step.